Hey guys, it's Liz. My Instagram name is Serta_, and I'm here with Makartt today to show you guys how I created this pinkish nude ice cream inspired set using all Makartt products.
First, push the cuticles back and clean the nail. Apply base coat and cure. Add polygel into the dual form and use slip solution to spread. Push and press the dual form onto the nail. Next, let's paint on some sprinkles with several gel polish colors. Apply the rhinestone nail glue and place the charms before curing. Next, add gel polish to the tips and clean with acetone. Now, time for chocolate syrup. Use a dotting tool to place the polish, then connect the dots with a brush. Apply top coat and cure for a delicious ice cream look.
And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious set. Head over to Makartt.com to purchase all products used in this tutorial.